Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with another vintage ephemera kit that I purchased from Whimsy Barn Vintage. This is my third one. I really love her sets, so if you are interested or you missed any of those videos, I'll have it in my Etsy haul playlist. So let's have a look at this. We have 3 of these packs that are included. We will start off with this larger bag here. Alright, so first we have what looks like a receipt printing paper. We have the game machine, little tally sheet there, and then here is one that looks a little more modern to me. It's like a little tearaway sheet. And wow, look at this. What a beautiful photograph. And it's actually a postcard for Palace Gates, Williamsburg, Virginia. Then we have these beautiful stationery sheets. I love that color. And this was what kind of drove me to her listing. This beautiful image of this girl. I thought it was going to be smaller, like at least this size. But I'm not disappointed. It's really pretty. And it's a little photo print of the artwork. I wish I could say who this is from. If you guys are familiar with this, let me know. And then we have a map. She usually includes one, and it says September 1989, and this is New Orleans. Cool. Then over here, it looks like we have a certificate of authenticity. This might be for some artwork, it looks like. Yeah, I think so. It says that this gentleman was commissioned to actually do some artwork for 2008 U.S. Olympic team, and most of his works are now in the National Art Museum of China, so that's pretty cool. Now we have, oh, this is the other piece that I really love, and this is a beautiful piano piece. It's French words translated in English, which is beautiful. And here we have Pop Goes the Weasel on the opposite side. And some line sheets that are always fun to tea dye and put in the journals. So let me go ahead and pull the medium-sized bag and let's see what's in here. Alright, if you have seen my previous unboxings of her ephemera kit, she always includes one of these letter stencils. I probably have the W, I don't remember now, but always fun to have those and add them. And then we have a frog fastener. Really cool, I love that. This is usually for jackets. It says $1, easy to sew. We have our little New York Franken Trimming Company. That is so cool. Oh, cute. Look at this beautiful little bookmark. I love that it's on kind of a linen stock paper, and there's a cute little poem under there. Then we have some of these labels, little index card. Another postcard, awesome! I don't think I saw this in the listing, but this is always so interesting. It's missing some of the stamps. That would have been nice. And it looks like it's a scene from Madrid. Oh, I would have loved to know. I'm just trying to see if there's a date of when this was sent. But definitely beautiful nonetheless. Yeah, I'll just have to look at that. But beautiful scene. Beautiful. And then we have an Easter card, little Easter postcard. It's called the Quintulips. How adorable. I'll have to read that later, but that's cool. Fisherman's Inn. How cute. You have a little menu. And look at the prices of how much, I mean, it was 50 cents for a loaf, and smoked rainbow trout was $3.75. It doesn't say what the year is, but I'm pretty sure this is vintage. How cute is that? We have another bookmark that says love and nice little poem on the back. think I have one of these in one of the other kits that she gave. Might be a different scenery. This is somewhere in South Carolina. That's really pretty. And we have another postcard. Let's find out where it is at. Escape to Paradise, Fort Atkinson. Really cute. I like the scalloped edge cut there. And we have a random table page here and some pink cardstock. We have an embossed card here. That's really cute. Another bingo card. Let's see what's underneath. Oh, beautiful. This is definitely going to my bird book. Oh, and a cute little bunny. And I thought this was so cool. So this is the other one that drew me to this kit. The Lace Maker. It's a nice little music sheet. And look at this. Stationery. It looks like you can fold it into a card and seal it and mail it. That's really pretty. I love this. That's really pretty. And then we have some of these cardboard letters. Now we got two more, so we're gonna open up another one. Actually, we have three more little baggies. And let's open this one up. How cute. So we have a mini tag, and I've seen her use this in her packaging for the mystery box that I purchased from her store. Cute little Valentine stickers. We have another one of that beautiful bird card. I love it. Vintage little angel. Little card cut out here. Perfect for ephemera. Look at this adorable panda. Little playing card. How cute. And this bear. All rested up in just honey. Another cute playing card. We have Monopoly card. A ticket. That's really cool. August 1952. Wow. That's pretty neat. And I know I have one of these in my other kit too. Another Llama playing card. Now this is new. I like this one as well. That's really pretty. Love the pattern. Oh, check this out. Little cutout from a Valentine's card. I'm writing Hi Valentine. Some play money. Oh, this is cool too. We have some shells on a player card. It's a joker card. And just some plain cards that can definitely be transformed into little journal cards. We have the Shady Lane Farm little matchstick book. I think the last time she included a Jade restaurant. I've also seen this. And cool, we have a little puzzle piece that again can be altered and used, and a vintage photo from the 70s, a passport one. Very interesting. And now let's look at the trims that she included. This is really pretty. I like this one. That's really nice. And then we have, this is really cute. So these are always fun to use for your tassels and decorating. Like this is beautiful. This has some more velvet feel to it. That will be fun for a little tassel. A little riffraff, like a mini. That's cute. And check this out. Some shoelaces in pink. 10 cents. So that is pretty awesome vintage little piece there. And then we have one more. Alright. Let me just pour it out. And we have some tiles, word tiles here that spell love. How adorable. That'll be fun to put on a cover. Another number tile, little cutout from a cardboard box. She always includes some vintage keys, and those are always fun to add. So it looks like we have this cute little, what might have been a part of an earring set, and it has a beautiful heart and a floral image on top there. Hope you guys enjoyed this ephemera kit unboxing. Stay tuned for more project shares of me using a lot of these items in my future junk journals and projects. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.